Have you ever felt like your Samsung phone has more to offer than what you actually use? Well, you're absolutely right. In today's video, we're going to uncover some powerful hidden Samsung features that can improve your daily smartphone experience in 2026. These built-in tools will help you multitask faster, stay organized, and unlock smarter ways to use your device. Feature 1. Split Screen Multi-Window Mode. First, open the Recent Apps screen. You can do this by tapping the Recents button or swiping up and holding if you are using gesture navigation. Now scroll through your opened apps and tap the app icon you want to use first. From the options, select Open in Split Screen View. After that, your screen will split into two parts. Now choose a second app from your recent apps list or app drawer. Now you can use two apps at the same time, like watching YouTube while chatting or browsing while taking notes. Feature 2. Edge Panels Smart Shortcut Menu. First, open the Settings app on your phone. Then scroll down slowly and tap on Display. Inside Display Settings, scroll again until you find Edge Panels and tap on it. Now turn on the feature using the toggle button. After that, tap on Panels and choose what you want to add, like apps, tools, a clipboard, or Smart Select. Now go back to your home screen. Simply swipe from the side edge of your screen and the Edge panel will appear instantly with all your shortcuts. Feature 3. Developer Options Open Settings. Scroll down and tap on About Phone. Then go to Software Information. Find build number and tap it 7 times continuously. Enter your PIN if asked. Once it's done, a message will appear saying developer mode has been enabled. Now go back to the main settings menu and scroll down. You will see a new option called Developer Options. Tap on it and now you have access to advanced settings like animation control, USB debugging, and performance tweaks. Feature 4. Circle to search. Go to Settings, then open Display Settings. Scroll down and find Navigation bar. Turn on Circle to search. Now long press the home area. You can now circle, tap, or highlight anything on the screen and Google will instantly search it. Feature 5. Notification History Open Settings, then tap Notifications. Go to Advanced Settings and select Notification History. Turn it on to see all your recently dismissed notifications anytime. Feature 6. Duplicate Apps Dual Messenger. Open Settings and go to Advanced Features. Tap on Dual Messenger. Now turn on the apps you want to duplicate. A second version of the app will appear on your home screen with a small icon. Perfect for using two accounts on the same phone. Feature 7. Autocall Recording. Open the phone app, tap the three-dot menu and go to Settings. Now tap on Record Calls. Turn on Auto Record Calls. You can choose to record all calls, unknown numbers, or specific contacts. Before you go, I hope you got something useful from today's video. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more Samsung hidden features and Android tips. Catch you in the next video. Stay safe and take care.